Question number 17. Okay. A ray of light is incident on the flat side of a semicircular glass block placed in paraffin. Okay, this is a ray of light. This is a paraffin block over here. So this is your paraffin. This is your paraffin, and then sorry, this is your glass. I'm sorry. This is your glass. This is your paraffin block. Okay. The ray is totally inter-reflected inside the glass block as shown. The refractive index of glass is N1. This is N1, and that of paraffin is N2. Okay. And then what does it say? What is correct? Now what's happening over here? So this is your incident medium. This is your refracted medium over here. So therefore, if I apply Snell's law here, I can now say N1 sine theta is equal to N2, and what is the refracted ray? Where is the refracted ray? It's going like this. N2 into sine 90, where angle 90 is nothing but the angle of refraction. Actually, it should go like this. It's not going like this because of the difference in the refracting indices. So it is getting refracted along the surface of separation between the two, and as a result of it is going like this. So you have this one. What is the question here? The question here is what is correct? Okay, in terms of sine theta is asked. Okay, so therefore sine 90 becomes 1. So this should become N2. So sine theta should now be equal to N2 by N1. So let us check for N2 by N1. Sine theta equal to N2 by N1. Answer is B over here.